This is Form 01-339, a Texas Sales and Use Tax Resale Certificate. It lets a business buy items tax-free that it intends to resell. You give it to your supplier, not to the state, and you'll need a Texas sales tax permit. Let's fill it out. Start with your business as the purchaser, your name, phone, and address, and your 11-digit Texas Sales and Use Tax Permit number. Then the seller you're buying from with their address. Describe the items you're buying for resale and your business's general activity. Be specific. The items have to be things you actually resell. Add your title, then sign and date the certificate by hand. Give the certificate to your seller and keep a copy for your records. Use it only for items you'll resell. Using a resale certificate to avoid tax on things you use yourself is a criminal offense in Texas. Fill yours out free at FormsPal. This is general information, not tax advice.